Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shesa's Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful Indian style scarf for the women's, which is very easy and beautiful. It's a quick project. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very quickly. Here we are using only the simple stitches to finish this project. All the measurement and all I have explained throughout this video. If you're watching my tutorials for the first time, don't forget to subscribe with the bell icon. Also give a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Don't forget to share with your friends too. So without further delay, let's start our project. For this project I'm going to use here two colors of yarn. This is 100% acrylic DK weight yarn, pair of scissors and the hook, which is 3.5 mm. Let's start this project with the slip knot, and then we'll make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 single crochet stitches. Let's insert the hook into the very next chain and we'll make 1 single crochet, and into the second we'll make 1 single crochet, 3 4 5 6 and into the last we'll make 1 single crochet, 7 and into the last we'll make 1 more single crochet. This is our, we got here 8 single crochet stitches. Now let's turn the project. Into the very first stitch let's insert the hook and we'll make 1 single crochet. Into the next we'll make 1 single crochet, into the third 1 single crochet, fourth 1 single crochet, 5 6 7 and here into the last we'll make 1 single crochet. So for the round 2 also we got 8 single crochet stitches. Again let's turn the project. Into the same stitch we'll insert the hook and make 1 single crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 and into the last 8. So we are going to repeat the same pattern till we get our desired length for the strap. Here I have made 54 rounds of the same pattern. In each row we have 8 single crochet stitches, so it measures 9 inches. This is going to be our strap. Let's insert the hook into the last single crochet, pull up the yarn, and instead of closing this we are going to change the color. So let's take the black color and insert the hook into this, and then we are going to attach, pull this pink color down, and then we'll make 1 single crochet with the pink color and make it this black down. Again we are going to make a chain with the black and we'll pull the pink down. Now turn the project and we are going to make into the same stitch. This is our first stitch. Let's insert the hook into the very first stitch, 1 single crochet, again 1 more single crochet. So we got 2. Again 1 2 into the next 1 2. So end of this round we will get 16 single crochet stitches because we are making into each stitch 2 single crochet. It's at the end of this stitch also we'll make 2 single crochet stitches. turn the project. Into the same stitch we'll make 1 single crochet, 1, and to the next we'll make 1. Into each stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet. So in this round also we will get only 16 single crochet stitches. When we insert, let's take this pink color and keep like this, and then we will make it this black, 1 single crochet, and then take this pink up, we'll make 1 chain to this, turn the project. Into the very first stitch we'll make 1 single crochet, again into the same stitch 1 more single crochet. It's an increasing round. Let's make into each stitch 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. So this round we got 32 single crochet stitches. Now let's turn the project. Into each stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet, so at the end we will get 32 single crochet stitches. So here I got 256 single crochet stitches in this round 11. We started from here, increasing round 16, then single crochet round, then again increasing round, so 32, again single crochet, then increasing round 64, then again single crochet, and then increasing round 128, then single crochet, and then increasing round 256, then single crochet 256. Now we are going to start the pattern. So I just snipped off this black color yarn. Now we are going to work with the pink color yarn. And let's make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. We'll skip the next 2 stitches. This is the first one, 1, 2, 3. Into the third one we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, skip the next 2, 1, 2. Into the third we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, chain 3, yarn over, skip the next 2. Into the next third we'll make a double crochet. So throughout this round we are going to make every third stitch a double crochet. Let's do the last double crochet into the last single crochet inside the hook under this 2 loop, and we'll make a double crochet. Now again turn the project. We'll make into the same stitch inside the hook, make 1 single crochet, again into the same second loop of this single crochet, 1 more single crochet, again into the second loop of the same single crochet, 1 more single crochet. Now yarn over, into this 3 chain space we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, yarn over, into this we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, into the space 1 double crochet. Till the end of this row we are going to make the same pattern, 3 chain, and into each chain 3 space 1 double crochet. Now yarn over, into the third chain, 1, 2, 3. Into this let's make 1 double crochet. Inside we made a double crochet after this 3 chain, then we made a double crochet into this third chain. Now turn the project, and then we'll make into the same stitch 1 single crochet, into the second loop of this single crochet 1 more single crochet, into the second loop of the second single crochet 1 more single crochet. Okay, yarn over. Here we have 1 double crochet. Let's insert the hook and make 1 double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, into this we'll make 1 double crochet, 1. We'll not do anything in this stitch in this space. Again here 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, into this we'll make 1 double crochet. Same like this we are going to continue till the end of this row, and then we will repeat the same pattern till we get a desired size for the project. Now our project looks like this after finishing the 2 lines. This is how our project is going to be look. So friends, here I have finished 26 rounds of the same pattern, and we got enough length and width for this project. It measures from this strap to here. It's like 16 inches. We can stretch more also, around 1 inch we can stretch. Now we are going to do the degrees. For that I'm going to attach the second color. Here we'll make 1 single crochet. Here we have 2 stitches, so we'll make here 2 single crochet stitches, and then inside we have 3 chain, so let's make 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3, and inside this we'll make 1 single crochet. Again 3 single crochet, and then inside we'll make 1 single crochet. So at the end of this round we will get 256 single crochet stitches. So here I have finished the single crochet stitches into each chain space and the single crochets, double crochet stitch. Now let's turn the project, and then into the same stitch we'll make 1 single crochet. We will not close this single crochet, and then insert the hook into the second single crochet, pull up the yarn. We got 3 loops. Now hook, yarn over, pull through 1, and then into the next, insert the hook and pull up the yarn. Again into the next, insert the hook and pull up the yarn. We got 3 loops and a hook, yarn over, pull through. This is a decreasing stitch, so we did here 2 decreases, and then insert the hook into the next also a decrease. And this side here we did an increase, so here we are doing decreasing. Same like this we are going to repeat till the end of this row. Once we finish this row, again we will make the single crochet. Again we will do the decrease, same like this. Again we will make the decrease, again single crochet, like this till we get 8 single crochet stitches. We are going to repeat the same pattern. At the round 10 we got 8 single crochet stitches. Now we are going to make the strap for this. The last round we will do with this pink color, 8 single crochet stitches into the very first one, and I have snipped off the black color yarn. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 till we get 9 inches length. We are going to continue the same pattern. Single crochet stitches into each row. We'll have 8 single crochet stitches. Turn the project, and then into the same stitch 1 single crochet. That's the first one, and then 2, and to the last stitch we'll make 1 single crochet. That's the end of this project, and then chain 1. Then if you have excess yarn, just snip it off. I don't have much here, and then using the small needle or the small hook you can hide this excess yarns. Like this. So here our project is ready. I hope it's really useful for you. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.